When you woke up today, what did you feel? Did you drift back into sleep? Or did you wake up saying, I'm going to do something today? Did you feel the drive? Have you found it yet? Are you willing to find it? How willing are you to find it? Alright, so it's 3:15 in the morning right now. I can't sleep. Not because I'm sad, but because I'm really happy with where I am in life right now. I mean, I have time to experience whatever I want to experience, and I think that I've never been so happy before. So, I attended a music festival for the first time in my life, and it was amazing. Right there within that crowd, I felt like nothing could go wrong. I also ran a marathon for the first time in my life. It exhausted the hell out of me, but it felt so good. I didn't think I would be able to finish the marathon, but I did. And it was just so amazing. That feeling that I got when I completed that, it was amazing. It's been 3 days since I ran the marathon. My legs are still paining, but damn it, it was good. I just feel like I've found this new way to live. Like, there's so much more to do and see, and there's so much ahead of me. And I think I've decided that I'm gonna try to make this year the best year of my life, and I'm gonna do as many new things as I can, because honestly, there's no better feeling than this.
Never body like a boy, we were in New York. I lost control. Will you help me? I lost control. Don't walk away.
If your heart wants something, just go get it, man. And I hope that all of you do that too. When your heart wants something, your mind is going to put a fear inside of you that's going to stop you from doing that thing. I just hope that you get over that fear and that you don't let that fear stop you from getting what you want and going where you want to go and doing what you want to do. Because that's what life is. It's what you make of it, it's what you create.